Hey friends, welcome back to GSD Solutions. Today we are sharing some super simple tips that can help your laptop last longer and stay in good shape. Let's dive in. First of all, don't keep your laptop plugged in all the time. It's better to charge it up to around 80 or 90% and then unplug it, so the battery stays healthy. Also, be careful with where you use it. If you place your laptop on the bed or a pillow, it blocks the air vents and makes it heat up. A desk or table is always the best choice, and if you have a cooling pad, even better. Another tip is to keep it clean. Dust can build up and make your laptop slower. A quick cleaning every now and then with compressed air or a soft cloth goes a long way. When it comes to storage, don't let your hard drive get completely full. Leaving some free space around 15 to 20% helps your laptop run much smoother. And don't forget to restart it once in a while. I know it's easy to just close the lid, but restarting gives your computer a fresh start, installs updates, and clears memory. Now, let's talk about the battery again. Try not to let it die completely every time. Keeping it between 20 and 80% most of the time will make it last a lot longer. And finally, protect your laptop when you carry it around. Using a padded case or backpack really helps avoid damage from drops or bumps. So there you go, 7 easy tips to take better care of your laptop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to GSD Solutions and share your own tips in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.